Model Rockets 321 here, out here filming the Project X SR-71 Blackbird launch. Got the launch pad set up over there. Just setting up the controller, so we will be in the air shortly. This has 2 engines. I talked about this on a couple other videos. 2 engines, and this is the regular one. I'm gonna fly this one too, get 1 flight of that. And hopefully this is successful. It has a rear deployment. Parachute should come out the back on 2 C-67s. I'm gonna try those for a longer delay. Hopefully it's going slower and it don't rip off the parachute. So there we go. All right, Model Rockets 321 here with the Project X SR-71 Blackbird. 2 engines, C-67. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, parachute came out. So there we go. We had the parachute came out while it was launching, but it did work. Looked like there's no damage. Parachute came out, so both engines lit. So that was okay. I'm gonna have to give it another shot. Alright guys, here's been a little change of plan. I'm going to fly my standard SR-71 Blackbird because the pistons seem to be getting stuck inside of here because of the ejection gases. And I don't have anything to really get that cleaned out. So I will revisit this one with the 2 engines. It did fly. It wasn't a great flight, but it didn't get damaged and it's ready to fly again. So I will be returning to that one soon. So stay tuned for this standard SR-71 Blackbird flight. Alright, standard SR-71 Blackbird. Here we go. 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. Parachute. There we go. And we have a parachute. That was a nice launch, much better than the other one. SR-71 Blackbird coming down. And touchdown. And the desert's all green. We had a lot of rain out here in Arizona this year. I need my hiking boots because these sneakers are definitely not right. So there we go. Nice flight of the SR-71 Blackbird standard version, my experimental one. I will continue, but the piston is fitting too tight. So here we go. SR-71 Blackbird at home. Here we go. Touchdown. Landed in a bunch of ants, it looked like. Ooh, a bunch of red fire ants. Look at those. I think they're fire ants. Man, they're all on it already. They're all on it. So there we go. SR-71 Blackbird. Pretty nice flight. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. Parachute. There we go. So in closing, overall it was a decent launch day. I started out early as usual here in Arizona, especially at this time of the year where it can get hot quick. I mean, really hot. So I flew the SR-71 Blackbird Project X, 2 engines. I have the engine still installed. They're fine. I didn't fly again. As I stated, this piston, this little piece here, ejects through the back and all that exhaust residue is inside here, and they made this for a tight fit, so that's why it didn't launch again. I'm going to get it cleaned out and hopefully launch that again real soon. These are just the engines that I burnt. Everybody familiar? 2 burnt C67s and the 1 C65. Overall, like I said, I think it's going to work next time. I have this whole system set up rear ejection. So here's the parachute. It's a nylon. Top Flight, I believe I got it from Top Flight. Small little thin mill parachute. Little piece of shock cord and Kevlar. Hopefully it's long enough. Hopefully everything. I just want this to be a successful launch. I think I got it down. So I will be back out probably next Saturday to fly again. And stay tuned. And be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the Instagram at modelrockets321. And I put a lot of photos and stuff over there when I get a chance to. So subscribe and share it with a friend. Thank you.